I have been in the RV business for almost 14 years. And I'm going to talk about a hot button topic that most people have on their mind, which is who the next president of the United States is going to be and how is it going to affect my decision making to get an RV. Well, this message is for Republicans, Democrats, and independents. So make sure you watch the entire video. Using a presidential election as the sole decision-making process to buy an RV is very problematic and something you're probably gonna regret. Think about this. When you buy an RV, it's for adventure and enjoyment for a long period of time. A lot of folks will use them 10, 15, 20 years. A typical president is only elected for 4 years at a time. Who's gonna last longer? A president of the United States or your adventure RVing? Even if there's a change in leadership, it does not mean that there's going to be an immediate impact on any policy making or the economy. The RV market is really based on a few factors: interest rates, fuel prices, supply and demand, even consumer preferences. For example, right now, here at the end of 2023, into the beginning of 2024, we are experiencing the best buyer's market since the Great Recession. While government policies does affect some of these outcomes, there's many pieces to the puzzle. So let's look at those pieces. The sad truth is that our bodies have an expiration date, and we don't know when that's going to be. So rather than focusing on political outcomes, focus in on what our goals, the adventures we want to take, the needs that we have as human beings. Why let one person in the entire world decide what our future is really going to be as an individual, as a family? Whether you're going to retire in 2024, or maybe you have a family, you want to get them out on adventures away from tablets and cell phones. Maybe you're something in between. But look at what kind of RV will fit your lifestyle the best, rather than who the president of the United States is going to be. Maybe a toy hauler works for you best. Maybe a truck camper. Maybe a little teardrop. Maybe it's a motorhome. Who knows? Then after that, it's about finding what budget works for best you and your family. So not only can you own it, but you also have the money to use it. RVing is about building memories that'll last the ages. Those picture perfect moments that'll last forever. It's also about enjoying the freedom of the open road, exploring new adventures. And the key word in all that is freedom. If we as human beings, if we as Americans or Canadians or anybody allows an individual like Donald Trump or Joe Biden or anybody in between to decide our fate, then we have already lost. Stay informed about market trends. For example, this is the best buyer's market there's been in the RV business in 15 years. But don't let politics overshadow your dream of RV ownership. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button so it spreads all over YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos.